With 310 horsepower of power and 400 Nm, 295.0 lb-ft, of torque, the new Audi S3 Sportback and Sedan are powered by the 2.0 TFSI engine. High-tech features like the Audi valve lift system, AVS, which adjusts the lift of the intake valves as required, mean that the combustion chambers are well filled, while thermal management helps to ensure high efficiency. Both models accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62.1 miles per hour, in 4.8 seconds on the way to an electronically governed top speed of 250 km per hour, 155.3 miles per hour. The driver can use the standard series Audi Drive Select system to make the sound of the powerful 4-cylinder turbo engine even crisper. The 7-speed S-tronic with lightning-fast gear shifts and freewheeling function and the quattro all-wheel drive deliver the torque to the road. The hydraulic multi-plate clutch in front of the rear axle is fully variable and moves between the front and the back as required, combining dynamic performance with stability and efficiency. It is managed by the modular dynamic handling control, a new system that closely links the quattro drive to the electronic stabilization control, ESC, and the controlled dampers that are available optionally. The cockpit is focused on the driver. The distinctive air vents form a single unit with the instrument cover, underlining the sporty character. A 10.25-inch digital display is offered as standard. Alternatively, the Audi Virtual Cockpit and its Plus version can be selected. Both have a 12.3-inch diagonal, with the latter also offering 3 different screens. The optional ambient lighting package Plus delivers targeted lighting effects in the dark. The sport seats have been newly developed, and their standard series upholstery is largely made from recycled PET bottles, accentuated by stylish contrasting stitching. Pre-sales of the new Audi S3 models start in many European countries in August 2020, with the first vehicles being delivered to dealers from beginning of October. In Germany, prices for the Audi S3 Sportback start at €46,302, 53, while the Audi S3 Sedan is listed at €47,179.